beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. If you're wondering anything about the makeup that I've got on today, it is literally my video of doing the Clueless As If Forever Flawless palette, and I did the full reveal and the little tutorial all in one, and I've also done a full video testing the 3 characters, all of the makeup, everything. I will leave both of them linked down below just in case you're curious. I have got a lot darker foundation on today, so just excuse that. I was just testing it ready before I go out on Saturday with my Patreons in London. I've got a new Rimmel foundation and I'm not gonna lie, it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I did like some underpainting to see what that was like, and like underpainted with some Rev like contour products and then like some Collection yellow concealer, and then I put the foundation on and I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. But yeah, that's why I am orange and then white. So today I wanted to do my monthly favourites because I haven't done this for a very long time, and to be honest with you, I never really put much makeup on unless it's a special occasion, which is very rare, or unless I'm filming. So a lot of the stuff that I try never really like make it fully into my favourites because normally I film a video on them and then never really come back to more stuff, which I have a plan for. I'm going to do some Shop My Stash videos soon, so that'll be coming. But I wanted to show you what has really stood out to me and what I've realised I reach for all the time. And it's more like to do with base and skincare products, which is just not like me at all. But yeah, let me just go through what is in my little tub. There's a lot of Revolution in here, so I do apologise if you're sick of Revolution on my channel. My channel was like this before I worked for Revolution, so nothing has really changed apart from now I don't have to spend an absolute fortune for the launches anymore. So apart from that, it's still Revolution heavy like it was before I got the job with them. And there is quite a few Revolution stuff in here because I've just been really loving their stuff recently. A non-Revolution one and a bit of a random one that I just wanted to mention is my contact lenses. So I've been getting my contact lenses now from Feel Good Contacts. Is that what it's called? I feel like I've just made that up, but I've got the app on my phone. Feel Good Contacts, that's what it's called. And I stopped my prescription with Boots because it's so expensive. I just thought, you know what, I can't continue to keep paying for Boots contact lenses, and I needed more of them, and I just didn't have the money to like spend for how often I needed to wear them. The only thing that bothers me is you have to pay quite a bit for postage. It does come next day, but I'm not really bothered about it coming next day, but there's no option for it to be cheaper and have longer delivery. Yeah, that's the only thing that bothers me with it. And I also get I don't know where it is. I might be actually in my little skincare bag. I normally put it in my bag when I go away as well, but I also get like this little gel from there, and it is expensive. It's like £5 for this little contact lens gel, and it's like a thick gel, and you can only put this in when you haven't got your contacts in, or at least 30 minutes before you put your contacts in. But it's literally like somebody has just lubricated your eyeball after a night out when you're hungover and your eyes are all dried from wearing contacts all day and all night. Absolute godsend. So yeah, I always get my contact lenses from them, and then I got that gel, and I've honestly never looked back. And I even got Laura one for when I ordered last time. She got some gel because she liked it that much from using mine. So yeah, absolutely love them. Hopefully that can save you some pennies, especially the current times and everything as well. I have a lot of skincare in here, so I'll just do the quick bits of makeup. The first thing that I absolutely love, and you can tell because it is rammy as, absolutely rammy. This is the Revolution and Love Island brow gel. I don't know what's in this brow gel, but it just sticks your eyebrows down in place. Not for soap brows, nothing for anything like that. Just a general eyebrow gel. It's absolutely amazing. Do not put too much on. You have to go with a light hand advice. You are going to have crispy, like just crispy eyebrows. You just need to go in with a very light layer of it. Absolutely amazing. And then the other thing that I've been loving, first off, is the Trigwell Cosmetics Powder Puff. The day that you're watching this video, it'll already have launched, but she's launching a little baby one, so I'll definitely be buying these. I got this on Beauty Bin. I think it was 2 for £15. You can only buy them in a 2-pack. This is an absolute godsend. I use it for today to like set underneath my eyes, set the rest of my face. It is just, it's got something good in that. It's just unbelievable. The same for this. This is like the magic duo. This is my Huda Beauty Pound Cake Easy Bake Loose Bacon and Setting Powder. This is absolutely amazing. I use it for underneath my eyes. I've used it to set the rest of my face. It is absolutely stunning, and I cannot get ready for a night out without using this. I just can't. It just, my skin, it just makes your skin like a baby's bum. It's just, oh, it's amazing. I made Laura buy it. Jess ended up buying it as well. It's just unbelievable. And then everything else that I've got is skincare, which I'm so proud of myself. Well done. Well done, Lucy. So I have been on a bit of an SPF kick recently because obviously I'm getting older now. I'm trying to look after my skin more. If you know my channel, you know I'm not big on skincare. It doesn't really interest me. I don't really know what I'm doing with it. I think that's what the problem is with skincare. But I know how important this is, SPF. So I've been using the Revolution Moisture Boost SPF 50 moisturiser. It's for all skin types, so just like this. And I've used this today. Absolutely love it. I've also been loving, of course, if you see my TikTok, well, that would have been really loud, I'm sorry. If you've watched my TikTok, you know I absolutely love the Miracle Cream, and I also now love the Miracle Eye Cream. This has recently been restocked, but I feel like it's sold out again. Like, Revolution have been selling these like hotcakes, so if you see one in a shop online, and if you're umming and ahhing it and it's in stock, buy it regardless, because it will go out of stock and you'll regret it. And then, I have been obsessed with this. Absolutely obsessed with this. So this is the Revolution Ceramides Hydrating Cleanser. So it's 24-hour moisturisation, 5 ceramides, and it's for normal and dry skin, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it. So it's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, it's dermatologist approved. Why am I trying to pronounce all this stuff? But yeah, it's really nice. Really nice cleanser. I've used so much of this up already, and I'm really lazy when it comes to cleansing my face. I know it's bad, but what are you gonna do? And then I don't know what mood I'm in today. And then you can tell I've got annual leave because I just feel alive. So the other thing that I've been loving is the Revolution Facial in a Pot from the Rehab Revolution range. This is basically like an overnight face mask, or you can use it as a moisturiser as well, but I use it as an overnight face mask. I put it on last night. Woke up this morning, my skin was so plump and juicy. It's meant to be like 8 hours sleep in a tub, and for me who barely sleeps, it's perfect. Again, I've done a TikTok on this. I don't know if I've posted it, but I've definitely done a TikTok on that as well. My TikTok is just the same name as my YouTube, LuceStephenson. Please go follow me. I'm so close to 2,000 followers on TikTok, which is amazing. And the last thing, as you can tell, has been well and truly like used and loved. It's like started rubbing off all of the stuff on the back because I absolutely adore this. This is the Revolution Super Dewy Super Balm Multi-Purpose Balm, and it's 50ml. This reminds me of that what's it called, like the Elizabeth Arden one that everyone used to rave about, but it's basically just like a clear, well, it's kind of got like a bit of like an orangey tint to it, but it's clear basically when you put it on, and it's just like a little balm. You can see it there, and I just use it as my lip balm, and I absolutely love it. I think it's amazing. And yeah, it's just in my, I have like a little skincare bag down the side of my filming desk, and that's just like what I use to prep my skin. So all of these are in my little skincare bag, including my contact lenses and that gel. I've also got other stuff in here, like I've got some hand balm, I've got some Sally Hughes 5 Acid Daily Exfoliant, and then I've got the Sally Hughes Vitamin C, but I don't really use these as much as what I have used the other ones. That's why I haven't mentioned them. And I've got like contacts in here, and I've also got like random other stuff, like some Zero Eye Cream, which I don't use. I was using this for absolutely ages and loved it. You can tell because like there's not really much left in it. And then I just went to the Miracle one and just loved it. I've got some like Nicky Lily lip oils in here, and oh my god, Revolution Pro lip oil. But out of everything that's in here, them are the products that I've been really loving, and I really wanted to tell you about. I have been enjoying my Pixie Glow Tonic, but that's only been the past 2 days, so I didn't really want to mention that because obviously that's only been the past 2 days that I've been using that, but it has helped so much with my flaky nose. I haven't used it today because otherwise it would have been like 3 days in a row, and you're not meant to use it kind of like continuously like that. It's meant to just be like a couple of times a week. So yeah, that is everything. That is my monthly favourites. I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you want me to do these in the future, please let me know, because I think, one, it'll push me to try more of my collection, which I'm going to have a full Shop My Stash series coming with that anyway, and there will be ones where it'll be dedicated, like no revolution at all mentioned in them Shop My Stash videos. And then I think it'll also like make me try new things, make me like look after myself a bit more, and like make sure that my skincare is up to date and I'm doing whatnot. So yeah, that is everything. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you if you are one of my patrons. If you want to join my Patreon, I will leave the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Don't forget I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Bye.